got another low line exercise for you today. However, this can also be used as a regular traditional line setup, so it doesn't have to be so low to do this exercise. The reason we're doing it low here is because we're getting really low to the ground, and it's a little safer if you fall off. It's less of a fall. But if you want to, if you're comfortable in your practice, take the line a little higher, and you can do it there as well. In either case, if you want, put mats on both sides of you if you feel like you're going to fall forward or fall backward, because we're doing a lot of exposure stuff. Okay, this one's called squats and dips. Progression 1, starting in the middle of the line, coming into exposure. From there, we're going to take our feet or our ankles past our hips, so we're in a bit of like a goddess squat here. Think of goddess squat. From there, we're slightly engaging the thighs in towards each other, tightening the core, and I'm going to bring my hands towards the middle, squat down until I can touch the line with my fingers. The goal here is to get a full squat, so not just bending at the hips, but bending at the knees, dropping that booty nice and low until you can touch the line, come back up. Foot placement, top of the arches, bottom of the ball mount, a little bit of energy going down towards the heel, towards the ground. Another focus, if you can, is maintain your hands here in front of you the whole time. The goal, go all the way down, all the way back up 10 times for progression 1. Not sure how many times I've done it, it's probably like 4 or 5, but I think you get the idea. Having a drishti point of focus, something that you're looking at in front of you that's not moving, will also help. Last thing, elongate through the spine, try to keep a nice straight back as you go down. Back up. Okay, get the idea. Moving on to progression 2. Come down for a rest if you need to, otherwise stay up. Progression 2 is simply bringing the feet back closer together so the ankles are underneath the hips. Think of chair pose, slight bend in the knees, arms to the side. And same foot position as far as top of the arch, bottom of the ball mount, drishti point, breathing. We're going to squat down until our fingers can touch the line. Back up. All the same things apply, all the way back up. Trying to keep a straight body, straight back. Sinking the hips low, and back up. Doing that 10 times for progression 2. As always, important, breathe. Calm, steady your breath, steady your balance. All right, I think you get the idea. Moving on, progression 3. Always come down if you need to. Take a break, hydrate. For progression 3, we're going to do a little bit more of a single leg dip here. So squats and dips, this is the dip part. Putting all our weight on this foot that's standing, taking the back knee, putting the back foot over the line, back knee touching the line. Coming down like so. Touch, and back up. As you notice, I use this back leg, and I touch the line on the way down. It's a little assist to help. The real hard version is not touching the line at all, but you can play with that and work up to that on your own. For now, use the leg as an assist. We put a little bit of weight. The ankle crosses the line, a little bit of weight. Most of the weight, though, is in the front leg, bent here. Chest is moving forward. And then bring that knee down, touch. And then as I come up, pushing a little bit forward, but also up. To take the weight in that front leg and come back up. So the goal for progression 3 is to do 3 to 5 dips on each side. Dip and back up. Okay, try the other side. Same thing. You can use this foot as a little help. Dip, back up. So this exercise is working both legs together as well as one leg at a time. Last demo. So it's almost a drop knee, but we don't want that knee to go down that far, just to touch the line and then back up. All right, have fun with that one. Send us your videos. Check us out at SLACKROBATS.com for our blog. Peace.